Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to show you just the local updates for WalletConnect, what's recently happened, and where we can stop. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, now like usual, just nothing changed with the human nature. When the price move parabolically up, everybody talk about it. It's an organic move to the moon and all of this random stuff. When we drop down, and it's not something crazy, something unpredictable happening in the market, right? On the chart, everybody talk, oh, it's a manipulation. So when we move up, it's okay. When we move down, it's manipulation. So double standard. So people just take a profit, So press sell. Why? The people can't take a profit. So I always just confuse. We made like 314%. From this correction, it's like 400% gains on the spot. Amazing. And the people still maybe not fix their airdrop. So why the people can't press sell? It's okay. It's normal to take a profit and not wait the 1,000% gains, 2,000% gains, 5,000% gains from random token. Guys, it's okay. Don't need to blame the token. Blame your greed and the FOMO if you hop in here. So the time to hop in was here, for example, and the zone of interest absolutely still the same. It's hard to say, are we dropped now to the main zone of interest, because the zone of interest is 24, 26, 23, 25, 21, 82, 21, 19. Nothing changed, guys. So we track this FEEP since this token listed on the Binance. So guys, everything absolutely relevant. When we drop and if we drop, it's hard to say. Maybe this summer, maybe this autumn. So we will see. Now we can talk only about a local target. So where we should stop. Here, take profit indicator. Will show us a daily time frame, no data, 12 time frame, if you worry about it. So here the buy line for the WalletConnect at this current moment, all lines are dynamic. It's 35 cent, 34. Fundamental value of this token 26.45. Pretty simple. So nothing special, right? Or some crazy stuff. And everything explained it here with the potential targets. And everything explained here. Just a week ago, I posted the video about WalletConnect. So I don't know why the people surprised. 4 hour time frame, guys. Here, 48.70. This is the first support. What we can touch. Firstly, it's going to be this liquidity pool, by the way. And yes, after that, we can bounce, locally bounce, for example, like this move, or continue rally down to the 12-hour time frame buy line, and bounce, for example, or from this level, grab liquidity and move to the upside, take profit, and this is going to be the trouble area. So point where we need to take a look closer, right? Should we go higher or not, right? So definitely still got a potential for a new all-time high, guys. It's just a matter of time, but this correction is still okay. We dump like almost 200% down. And yes, guys, I know what I'm talking about, because people count like this one, right? Oh, it's not a big deal. It's only 63% correction. I use the DCA. Hey, bro, you hop in here and you down 170%, because to recover back to your break even, you need not 63%, bro. You need 170%. It's got a big differences, right? That's why you can till infinity spend and waste your stable coins with a DCA magic strategy. So DCA is not a solution. DCA we need to start using only in zone of interest. So that's okay, guys. Targets where we can stop. I showed you. Trade on, money power, guys. Here, sell. All this time period I showed you, it was a distribution on 12 time frame. So step by step, They can't just dump the price in an eye blink here, for example. I mean, the whales, the market makers, the centralized exchanges, they needed time to distribute. And that's why they fix it step by step. You could track everything by yourself with money power indicator. Here's the money inflow. So step by step, they will buy them back, right? On 12 time frame, daily, still no money inflow. That's why I need to test 38, for example, 36. And after that, I guess we will see the money inflow. So it's so obvious. Take a look, guys. Market mode, daily, A3, 12 time frame. It was a madness, parabolic move, A3. Now we crashed down to disbelief. Need to wait the capitulation. Capitulation, I mean this one on 4 time frame. But the same story we need to see on 12. Here, if we use the FIB 27 block, by the way, here the impulse correction. So here 35.27 could be the great stop for this token. We'll come back to this video again later, but guys, everything showed you before. Direction 80Z. Here, it was a time to sell. This was basically the fake pump, like buy to sell, STB. I recommend you go and check the educational video how it works. And here's a final step-by-step accumulation. So if they start build the average 54 cents, for example, 53, and dump to 35 or 30, the average entry will be 40. After the 40 cents, they can put the price once again to close the gap, and they will be in the profit again 100%. Amazing. Finally, it's a good accumulation zone. 54 now here. I wish to see that the warranty. Guys, so simple, like in the playbook, right? I wish to see something like this one. The warranty on ADZ on 12 time frame, start recover back. Crazy capitulation zones I showed you here. You can go and check even the first video about the WalletConnect. So now I'm not so excited to buy this token at this current prices. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about the WalletConnect. Will we stop it here and hold the line at 50 cents or go much lower? And what is your plan? If you would like to trade with my customer said, write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.